Good afternoon, Madeline.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and madam. I'm Marilyn M. Banyares. I'm married. I have one child. She's a girl. She's 8 years old.
Okay, go on.
I have 6 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm the eldest in the family.
You have a 6 years experience working in Hong Kong.
Yes.
For 3 employers.
Yes.
Your first employer was in 1997 to 1999. General household chores like
Cleaning, marketing, washing, and take care of the children. Child.
taking
It
care
was
of
one
a
child.
5-year-old child.
Yes, ma'am.
Second employer taking care of the 5-year-old child again.
Twins. They are twins.
They are twins.
I have one companion. I have one companion.
So you are 2 housemates in your employer's house. So your main duty was in your second employer,
Cleaning, marketing, and also the 2 children.
which are twins.
The one, the baby girl, the baby children is for me, and the other one boy is for my companion.
Okay. They are separate.
Yes. We have also one opo and one dog.
Okay. When you arrived in your employer's house, how old was the twins? 5 years old?
5 years old.
Until they are 7.
Yes.
Your second employer,
Third employer.
your third employer, general household chores. Like cleaning, cooking, doing laundry, Chinese food. So what Chinese foods you know and still know how to do?
Butter chicken, stew beef, beef with onion rings, beef with ampalaya, prawns, any kind of food. Because I like it cooking.
So, how many times do you cook?
In my first employer, this one only. But every Saturday, I will cook for the whole day. But sometimes they will cook outside. And my second employer, he will cook at night only. My companion will alternate.
Do you know how to do laundry by hands?
Yes.
How many times do you do ironing?
Every day, ma'am.
Every day.
Yes, ma'am. At night.
What time do you wake up in the morning and what time do you sleep at night?
5:30, ma'am. And at night, sometimes it's 10 o'clock, 9:30 like that.
Taking care of a 5-year-old child.
Yes, ma'am.
Were you the one who sent the 5-year-old to the school?
I will bring in outside, and then we will wait the bus to arrive.
How many times was your day off in Hong Kong when you were in Hong Kong?
In my first employers, once a week. Also in my second and third. But because we are 2, that's why alternate day off.
What if your employer this time cannot provide you a day off, but they will pay instead?
Yes.
Is that okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
But if it's not on weekend, but instead on weekends, weekdays, so you cannot go to church on weekends. Is
Yes.
that okay? So any day will do. Any day is okay.
So,
Can you promise to finish your household chores before going out for holiday?
yes, ma'am.
You know how to drive.
Just motorcycle and bicycle only.
Are you prepared to work for a family with more than 6 members? Are you prepared to be employed and take care of another twin again?
Because if twins, ma'am, if we are 2,
Okay.
helper.
Can you promise not to put on makeup and dress properly while at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Any food you do not eat?
Nothing, ma'am.
If your employer in Hong Kong, no. While your employment in Hong Kong and then you receive any emergency from the Philippines, what will you do?
I will call them and then I will send money for them and then I pray for them to.
Can you promise not to break your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Any message for your future employer, Marilyn?
Good day, sir and madam. If you heard me as your domestic helper, I will promise to do my very best and my responsibility.
That's all, Marilyn. Thank you. Good day.